Hi sewing friends, welcome to my sewing room. My name's Beth. If you're new, welcome. Today's block is a classic pinwheel using 8 different triangle shapes. I cut my squares 10 inches and I will be using only 1 triangle from each fabric, so I should have enough triangles to make 8 different pinwheel blocks. I'll need to cut some more background squares and strips, but this will be enough for 8 quilt blocks. First thing to do is to cut the squares in half, both directions. You can measure 5 inches both ways, and then I cut diagonally twice. I'll need 4 background triangles, the same size as my colored fabrics here, and I also need 4 strips, 2 1/4 inches by 7 inches long. This block is a little bit difficult to visualize as you work, so I laid my triangles out first to get the design, and then I added the background pieces around. And like I said, it was a little bit tricky. I had to get my brain in gear and remember how these triangles were arranged. And as long as they're all kind of going the same way and they just move around in a circle. After I had them arranged, I added the triangles and the strips. Helped me to put my little quilt block here into 4 sections. So I'll be working on 1 section at a time. First, I will put the 2 triangles together that are next to each other, the background piece, and here I'm doing the yellow and that white fabric, and then I will work on the strip. After adding the strip and pressing towards the darker fabric, I use that triangle as my guide, and I just cut off that excess background fabric, and now I can put my two pieces together. Now that I have my 4 sections complete, I'm going to join them together 2 at a time, and then I'll be able to get my whole quilt block together. This is a beautiful block that would look great with stashing and cornerstones or all by itself. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.